Hi guys, so I got a DJI Pocket 3 a few months ago, and I got I happened to buy the Creator Combo Kit, which comes with its own DJI Mic 2 microphone, wireless microphone. And recently I found that I need an extra microphone to connect to my Pocket 3, so that's why I got this DJI Mic 2 combo set, which comes with an extra microphone as well as the receiver. So what I want to show you today is quickly show you how to connect the additional mic to the old DJI Pocket 3, and also how to use the old mic to connect to the new receiver, because usually these come paired and these come paired together. So you have to do it manually when you get it. So what you have to do is first of all, let's try to connect it both to the Pocket 3. Turn on both microphones, and you will notice that right, this one is there's a blue light here, and it also says that this is already connected to my DJI Pocket 3. And let's turn this one on. And as you can see, the LED here is green and it's blinking, and it's not connected to my Pocket 3 yet. And the reason why is because there are two modes. You have to switch between modes for connecting the microphones. So what you need to do is turn around and press this red record button on the other side. Press it down until the light turns blue. And once it's blue, it will connect to your Osmo Pocket 3. So the blue LED signifies that it's being used with the Pocket 3, and that's how you do it. And if it's not connected, you can actually just press the link button and go to your settings, wireless mic, and then you have the option of connecting to both microphones. Alright, so similarly, now that these are both connected to the Pocket 3, you might want to use them both with the wireless receiver to be used with your phone. So turn it on by pressing the power button and come to this screen, and what you can do is swipe down and go to receiver settings, and keep swiping all the way to the left for link device. So just tap on that, and you can see that neither microphones are linked at the moment. And similarly, just do the same thing. Press the record button until the LED turns green. So once it's green, you can see TX2 is connected to the receiver. And if I do the same thing here, it's green now, and TX1 and TX2 are both connected. And you can see them both are working right now. And similarly, if they aren't connecting, then you have to press the link button just above the power button here, and go to the receiver again and to link the device. Just make sure the LEDs are blinking quickly, and then click link, and it will link for you automatically. And that's it. So you can use both these microphones either with your wireless receiver to be used with a camera, or you can connect it directly without this to your DJI Pocket 3. So I only got the package which only includes one receiver and one mic, because I already have a microphone which came with my DJI Pocket 3 combo pack, so I didn't need to buy it. But this doesn't come with the charging case, unfortunately, but you do save a little bit of money. So you can decide which package you actually want, or you can just, if you don't intend to use the microphones with any other camera or phone or any device, then you actually don't actually need this either. So you can just get one extra microphone and use it with your Pocket 3 by itself and save a lot more money.